Good morning, everybody. This is Eric Clark's travel videos again, and today's an exciting day for me. I purchased a laptop, one of the XPS 15s, and I used to have an XPS 13, and you can only stick one hard drive in there. So when you travel, I have videos and pictures and TV shows and movies that I put on the computer, and so having a lot of hard drive space is really important. So I upgraded to the Dell XPS 15, and it's perfect. You can upgrade the memory, you can upgrade the hard drive. I got the shortened battery, so I have 2 hard drives, so I really have like 5 terabytes of hard drive space. But one of the things that happens on those Dells, and they're notorious for it, is the screen flicker, good old screen flicker. And so I've gone through hours and hours of support to get it fixed. Sat on the phone with an Indian consultant for probably 3 hours, and we worked through everything, all the diagnostic stuff, all the drivers, all the, reinstall Windows, do all those kind of things, and it never worked. But today, we're actually gonna fix it. And so I'm kind of excited about that. I've had enough of the screen flicker and shutting off Windows and shutting off my browser, and you can't do a lot. I do a lot of Getty photos and send things up to Getty, and it would just shut it down. So you'd be in the middle of an upload and bloop. And so I have like all these empty things in Getty. And so now I have to go through and delete them all and figure out which ones were good, which ones are bad. And so it's really caused me a lot of work. So anyway, so you can see my little laptop back here in the back. And if I can find my finger, there it is. And so I'm kind of excited. I get to get it fixed, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to fix it. That's it, everybody. See you soon. Bye. I just want to take a second and see if I could show you what kind of screen flicker looks like. Sometimes it's there it is right there. So the screen just blacked out and went away. And so it depends on what you do and how much you move things. And so it really gets kind of goofy. And so quite obnoxious. And I could probably, pull up Getty and stuff and show you that kind of stuff. But it certainly is obnoxious. I mean, just from shutting down Windows to what have you. And so it doesn't look like it's gonna do much right now. I mean, I usually it happens when I've got something, happening in the background or something, or, you know what, truthfully, it's not even something that I can probably recreate on a regular basis. It just certainly causes issues every once in a while. New tab, I bet I can, let me see if I can get it to, I know anytime I do something in Getty, it will, because I think it's uploading pictures or something, and then you can really see it happening. So let's see here. So if I do a new submission, and let's just go here and let's just upload a few pictures just for kicks and giggles. There's a few. And now watch, you'll see, I hope, it'll do its thing, and it's uploading now. There it is right there. So, I mean, there's Windows gone, there's the flicker, there's the flash. And eventually, I bet it throws me out totally of, there it is again, of, yeah. See how obnoxious this is? This is just horrendous. And you can see the lines in the windows and everything else. And then if you, anyway, I can't wait to get this fixed. I've really had enough of this whole thing doing its thing. And sometimes you'll get the color bars, so it'll be like, I even had to turn off the back screen, the desktop image and all those kind of things, and really minimize it down to as far as I could possibly get it. Anyway, so now you have a good example of what I deal with. Okay, everybody, I will show you the guy fixing it next, and explain what we're gonna do. Thanks, everybody, bye. And so what, is this a motherboard?
No, it's a
brand new computer.
LCD.
Oh, LCD. You think it's the screen that's the problem, not motherboard?
Yes.
Okay.
If this part not solve this problem, then replace the
computer.
motherboard.
Okay. Okay.
But the technician, the team support,
They say it's the screen.
LCD, yes.
Okay. And your name was Sergio? Sir, your name?
My name is Antonio.
Antonio. Okay, okay. Cool.
Brand new
monitor.
Yes.
Wow. Neat.
Okay.
Cool. So it looks like we're going to replace the monitor. Neat. And it's on a stand? Yeah. It just pops off, yeah. Well, he changed out the screen as you guys saw earlier, and it took him maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the max, but it all seems to be okay. He did a really good job on it. It looks like, well, it's even got the cover on it. I guess I could leave that there, huh? But yeah, it seems to work. I guess I'll play with it. The Dell company did an outstanding job. They didn't even have to come and do this. It was supposed to be, my warranty says that I have to mail it to them and then they mail it back. But how incredible is it that they decided, because I was only here for a month, and so they really have to work around my schedule. It was 12 days, blah, blah, blah. So it was going to be a nightmare. Instead, they just sent a technician out and he just fixed it. Way to go, Dell. I appreciate it. And so I guess I'll play with it for a day or two or 3 or 4 or maybe a year, and we'll see if it continues to work. And if it has any problems, I'll make sure they understand and know. And but I'm pretty happy. Great. It's nice to have a working computer again. Crossing our fingers. Bye, everybody.